Hey friends, we're on my MacBook Pro desktop today, and as you might be seeing, there's some cool looking widgets and icons that are over here on the left. Now this is a new feature at the time of this video, and it's called Stage Manager. And I really like it. I've been playing around with it a little bit, so I'm going to show you the basics in this video to see if it's something you might like as well. Okay, so the first thing we need to look at is the fact that these are open applications. You can see I have notes. I've got an Apple Numbers spreadsheet going. I have multiple browser windows over here, and I have my system settings going over here. So again, it's kind of this cool little widget format. And the way we turn this on is we go to System Settings. Now, you can either click on the Apple symbol here and bring this up by clicking the System Settings. Basically, in the System Settings, what you're looking for is Desktop and Dock over here in the left-hand column. We'll click on that. We have all sorts of different options for us to play around with, including Desktop and Stage Manager. So let's take a quick peek at the different options here for Stage Manager. So we've got Show Items, and as you can see, I've got everything categorized over here on my left. This is just my basic stuff that I access all the time that I wanted shortcuts to. Now, we can actually make all that disappear if you want the best, most cleanest possible workspace. And this really is what this new application feature is for. It's for productivity, it's for focus, it's to make sure your desktop is as clean as possible. Now, I like these shortcuts to be there, so I'm going to make sure I can see those items within Stage Manager. And then as you can see, if you have applications open, I want to be able to click the wallpaper and have everything just move over and reveal that desktop space. So watch what happens if I click on my wallpaper. As you can see, it automatically goes into this widget mode. And that way the things I'm working on don't disappear. They're really easily accessible, and I can see which applications are open, just a nice, better view of things to click. Now, again, you do need to have Stage Manager enabled. As you can see, if I take that off, everything automatically goes back to kind of a big, messy screen with all of my windows up and available now. But once that's on, again, everything goes into this nice, clean widget format. And then down here, if you have windows from multiple applications open, you can actually do it one at a time, where you can click on things, or you can have it go all at once. And again, you can mess around with those settings to see what you like. So now that we have things set up, basically what this does is it kind of replaces that old school way of dropping things down into these little tiny windows down on your taskbar. And as you can see, I still have an old one set up just so you can see the difference. This is a Safari window, and it's just really hard to tell what exactly this is and what's going on. Whereas my Brave browser windows over here, I can see, oh yeah, this is a YouTube page, and I know exactly what to click on now. So let me go ahead, and again, the way to use this is you just minimize now, and it's going to go over into that widget format. I can then come up here and I can click on to my web pages, and they will automatically jump up like this. Now again, remember, I have the settings set to jump all at once, meaning if I click on them, they'll all open up, all the windows that I have opened up into Brave. Again, if I want to change this, I can come over here. Let's do one at a time instead. I'm going to minimize this. And now when I click on this, it's just the first application window that will jump to the forefront. If I want another one, I just click that one. And again, you're not going to have multiple windows opening up. It's just going to swap back and forth between the windows that you want to be working in. So again, I kind of like it all at once, especially if I'm working within that application. So I'm going to switch it back to that. Now, again, the one potential negative about this is that if you're used to having multiple spaces on your desktop where windows live, let's say one's right here, and then maybe you're looking at a browser window over here in this corner, they're not on there at the exact same time. So again, you really do have to swap back and forth between things. But I like this so much better because I can see where my windows are instead of hunting and pecking. A kind of a cool little feature. I do like this. Play around with it a little bit, see if you like it as a better organization tool, or if the old way of hunting and pecking and jumping back and forth between different applications is going to be easier for you. I like this because it makes my productivity feel a little more organized, a little more synchronous, a little more focused, instead of having a messy desktop. So there you go, friends. Hopefully that initial intro into Stage Manager is helpful. Again, play around with this, make it your own, and let me know what you think. Is it a wasted feature that Apple added, or is it a really cool thing that's going to really be helpful for you? Thanks for watching, friends. Make sure you subscribe. Stay tuned because we have a bunch more of these little tech tips, tricks, and tutorials coming up soon to hopefully make your life just a little bit easier. Thanks for watching, friends. We'll see you again on the next one.